Alright, well, this is a video on my Showdown 5.6 dual beam. I just got this a couple weeks ago, and I have been using it a couple times. It comes right out of the box, all put together and assembled. Velcro up. Let's tuck this in the top here. Let's start. So, here it is. Showdown. So we get the focus a little bit better. It's made by Markham. It's got 8,000 watts peak to peak, and I think it's 1,000 RMS, which is pretty high. It's got the two cones, the 8-degree and the 20-degree cone. The transducer's right here. Let's see if I can get it out. There it is. There's the transducer. Pretty big dual beam transducer. And it's got a transducer arm. Pull it out. Got the little hook on the rope. On the transducer cable, it's got the stopper. It stops right there. It hangs over the hole. You can reposition it however you want. Let's go turn it on. I'll power it up in simulator mode. You just hold it for 5 seconds. And simulator shows up on the screen. And there's simulator mode. So, if we put the light off, it'd be better. No. So, it's got a background light, which is pretty cool. They claim 30 hours. It's got the 12-volt, 9-amp-hour gel cell battery. So it should be pretty good. So run down the buttons. You got the power button. Got the up and down button. At the same time, it turns on ice. It's called. It's an internal heater. So when it's super cold out, below zero, you turn on that for a couple minutes, and it'll make sure your screen doesn't slow down from the cold. Then you get your sensitivity, your range button, your zoom, and your noise. Your noise is your interference rejection. There is a 10-step. Right now it's on 0. Go up or down. So if you're fishing with there's 10. So if you're fishing with near other vexillars or hummingbirds, the hummingbirds you shouldn't have any issue with because those are on off a different frequency. But other Markhams, vexillars, anything like that, use your noise. Your zoom, it's 1 foot increments on the water column, and it zooms in on the bottom 25% when it's set to auto. So right now it's at 0 to 10. So I'm going 2 to 8. Go all the way down until we start seeing something here. There we go. There's your bottom. At 29 feet, the simulator shows a fish. It's kind of cool. Turn zoom off, you hit it again. Turns off zoom. Your range, right now it's set to auto, but you can hit it for 40-foot range, hit range and hit up or down, 60-foot, 80-foot, 120, 240, that's as deep as it goes. I think the bottom is 20 foot, but you really never need that. Sensitivity, right now it's on auto, go up or down, 11, I think it's a 25-step sensitivity, which is pretty good. The vexillars and the Markhams have a dial, which is equivalent to about 20. It's got 25. Then you're up or down. To change cones, you hit up and then range. 8-degree cone, 8 flashed. Range again, 20-degree cone. So they're on the 20. In ice mode, like I said, hit both at the same time. Up top it says ice. Hit them again, same time. It turns them off. Power button once turns off the light. On, turns on again. Pretty simple unit. Like I fished with it probably 3-4 times, and I love it. It's got me a couple fish. Well, it's actually caught me a lot of fish. And it's got a 1/2-inch target separation. So pretty much when if your jig is in 20 feet and you see a fish coming up, when the lines meet, you're just about setting the hook because they're, it's that close. The fish is pretty much biting it when they touch. So, yeah. So, hope that helps. I guess if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment or whatever, but have fun, guys.